video I have a General Electric Insta Heat fan heater that does low and high setting. It's a 4-bladed fan. It's quite dusty. Shade of pole motor. Over there's the heating element, quite clean for the age it is. Move the cords. There's nothing flammable in here, so we're going to head and turn it on. I'm going to start from the low heat. Heat already. That's actually nice and warm. Right, it's on low at the moment. It's heating up the shed very nicely. Oh, that's burning hot. It smells a little bit burning, but not much. Turn it. It's nice and hot. Oh, you can kind of see the blades through there. There's 4 of them. Yeah. Give you a quick sneak peek of the model number. There's no safety on this thing, so. General Electric. It's hot. No smoke coming out of it, so it's okay. The plug, I'll follow that. Here's the plug. So that's General Electric's turn. That was, the bars are quite. Ooh. Burn mark on me now.